Hello everyone. Let us now get into the eFile application and see how it works. To get into the application, click eFile on the left panel of the portal and it takes you to the eFile application. The panel on the left is known as Navigation Panel. This panel lists various modules that the application is segregated into, such as Receipts, which has an option to create receipts, and maintains all list of receipts based on their status in separate listings, that is, the ones pending in inbox, created but not moved yet, closed, etc. Similarly, next is File module, which has options to create main and part files, and has listings to view files lying with the user in inbox, the files sent to other users, ones which are temporarily parked, and etc. It is important to mention that the list which are opened from this navigation bar are displayed at the center of the screen. This screen by default displays the file modules inbox when user gets into the eFile application from the portal. Next is File Repository module, which displays list of all files closed in the user's office or section, and the ones submitted for approval requests for closing or reopening. Dispatch module has list of acknowledgements or issued letters dispatched against receipts and files respectively. Received letters has list of all letters received from other users within organization in intra-eOffice and from other eOffice users outside organization in inter-eOffice. Similarly, all email moved to eFile by the respective users can be found in email diarization list for further diarization. Next we have is Feedback module for list of feedback sought and responses received against the letters dispatched from file. Notification module for list of notifications set on issues while dispatching them. Migrate file module allows users to migrate physical files into electronic files. Register for signing to register your digital certificates such as DSC and eSign. Settings to maintain address book, set own preferences in the eFile system, create user group, preferred lists, etc. Audit module list files requested by auditor to carry audit on them. Next, at the top left corner we can see the current version of the eFile application, and the top right corner has a notification bell for alerts on receipts, files, etc. Then an option to change the language of the application interface. Help section for user manuals, FAQs and videos help, and at the extreme right the user profile information, displaying logged in users information, unread versus pending receipts, and files count, and the option to log out or go back to the home, that is the portal page. Below this, we have a quick access menu bar, which allows easy and one-click access to most visited actions in the application. Right below, it is the action bar that displays action buttons applicable for the respective list opened from receipts, files and dispatch module. More details on these module-wise lists and actions on them will be covered as we proceed further in this course. Thank you.